Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking with you guys about, or not talking with you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite skincare products right now, just for this month, because if you didn't know, I'm definitely a skincare junkie. I have so many different skincare products, and I've tried so many skincare products that, yeah, I have a problem. But at least I'm willing to admit that. But for this month, I'm going to share with you guys my favorite skincare products for the month. And I'm going to start out with these two products that I was personally sent. These are by the company, they're Medicube, and these are what the two products look like. And this particular product, this is the Medicube Zero Pore Pad. This is what the container looks like. Now, this is a Korean skincare brand. Another thing you guys should know is I'm definitely obsessed with skincare products. I've been obsessed with skincare, or Korean skincare products in particular, for a long time. So I was excited when they asked me if I wanted to try this out. The instructions and ingredients and everything is in Korean, which I don't know. However, you can look up what you're supposed to do with these, and like everything that's inside of it online. It's really easy to Google. But this pore pad, it's formulated with natural AHA and various botanical extract ingredients to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells, sebum, and skin waste. This product is clinically proven to help pore tightening, and it's irritation free. Now, I've always had huge pores. And I can definitely say using this in combination with the other product, which I'm going to talk about in a second, has definitely made my pores look smaller. And I've noticed within the last month, I've gotten a lot of compliments on my skin, which I honestly feel like is rare because I don't always take care of my skin like I should. But like this month in general, I've been getting like a lot of compliments on my skin. And so I think this is definitely one of the products that I can thank for that, because it has made my pores a lot smaller, because they're typically like, you know, the size of a crater. And they're a lot smaller now. And that's why when they asked me what product that I want to pick to try, I decided to pick the ones that were more geared towards those with bigger pores, because I wanted to see if I could find something that actually really worked. So I do like this, and this is definitely something that I would actually purchase. And the other product, this is Deep Erasing Cream. This says it's dual function cream made with, now I'm gonna say this wrong, but it looks like it says, okay, it has in parentheses horse chestnut. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the other word because I'm just going to mess it up. But horse chestnut extract and hydrolyzed elastin helps with skin elasticity. Now, you use this in conjunction with the pore pads. So what you do is you use the pore pads first. There's two different sides. One side it exfoliates, and then the other side, I don't even want to waste one of these pads. There's like one flat side. There's two different sides, right? So this is the side that you would exfoliate with, and then the other side is flat. So once you're done exfoliating with the one side, then you'll go back with this side. And then what you'll do is you'll go with this. You don't wash any of this off, by the way, but on the top, as you can see, it comes with a little scooping spoon, and that is just to help, you know, with sanitation purposes. So I mean, if you're down with using your finger, then by all means you can, but at least they give you something, some type of tool that you can use for sanitation purposes. And then this is what the actual cream looks like. This cream is thick. What I accidentally did was apply too much, and I was walking around looking extremely oily. But you only need like the smallest amount, and I would just concentrate this particular product on my pores, which is typically around here, and then like my nose. I have big pores on my nose as well. Again, if anyone has big pores just like moi, I would definitely highly recommend these. You should definitely try them out. I don't think you would regret it. I didn't experience any skin irritation. I do have sensitive skin, and I didn't have any problems with this whatsoever. So there's that. Now, some other products that are considered my favorite for the month. I'm gonna start out with this which if you've seen my previous video, I think some people might be surprised that I still use this. I use it every now and then. But this is the Kylie Skin Foaming Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this by now, but if you did see my review on using the whole skincare line, then you'll definitely remember that I did say that I actually really enjoy this. It's just probably the most luxurious feeling foam wash I've ever used. So in case anyone was questioning Kylie's Skin and you wanted to try something out, I would start with this. Definitely, it's worth the money. The next thing I want to talk about, I've talked about this in previous videos before. This is another skincare or Korean skincare product. This is by the company called Skin Food, and this is the Black Sugar Mask Wash Off. So this is what this looks like. I have used this before. Let me just show you what the consistency is. It literally looks like brown sugar. This is probably my favorite type of exfoliant, not only for face but for body as well. I do like sugar scrubs. I enjoy that very much. So another product that I would highly recommend. Two particular products that I do want to talk about. I bought these and I have like the full line, but if I had to pick like my top favorites for this particular line, it would be these two products. The first one is the Energizing Facial Scrub, and this is by the company called Your Good Skin. If you guys have gone to Walgreens, you've probably seen it before. I'm not sure if it's in like Rite Aid or anywhere else. The only store I've seen it in is Walgreens. It's affordable and it's inexpensive, and wait, it's the same thing. Affordable and inexpensive, you get my drift. I think the price tag is what lured me to it at first, and then I was just like, let me try these products out and see what they do for me, and I really like them. But the facial scrub I do enjoy, and this is what the container looks like. Now I like this because since I do have sensitive skin, this is not harsh. Now with that being said, sometimes when I do use even something like this, which does not irritate my skin, my face does turn red no matter what kind of scrub I use, and that's just because that's just how my skin is. I can touch my skin and it just turns red. That's how sensitive it is. But as far as any irritations, I haven't experienced any with this, and it just works really well. And then along with the same line, this, I don't even know how to describe. Well, let's talk about it. This is the Balancing Skin Concentrate. This just makes your skin feel unbelievable. I think it's like $20 though, but I don't even care. I would buy it again just because it just makes your skin it feels so nice. But this is what the container looks like. Okay, so if you've seen this in Walgreens, run and get it. I can't describe, or I feel like I would describe it wrong, but it just makes your skin feel amazing. I don't know what else to say, but amazing. I love it. I do want to take on the challenge. What you're supposed to do with this is use this straight on for 28 days straight. Obviously I have not done that, but I do want to test that out and use this for 28 days straight just to see how much my skin changes. But it just feels amazing. Now this product in particular, I got this in one of my FabFitFun boxes, and this is by a brand called, I'm probably gonna say this wrong, but Nassif MD Dermaceuticals, and these are detox pads, complexion perfecting pads, and this is what the container looks like. What you're supposed to do which is what the how you're supposed to use this according to the instructions, is gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. Avoid the upper and lower eyelids. A tingling sensation may occur. This is normal. Now, I never experienced a tingling sensation, but I have used this in the morning and at night. As far as like if my complexion has changed, I don't think I really paid attention to that, but I just like how my face feels, especially first thing in the morning. I would equate it to like if you're someone who likes to splash cold water on your face. I'm not really a fan of that, so I'd rather do this. But I do like this. I guess I need to pay attention to what it does with my complexion. I honestly haven't even paid attention. I just like how it makes my face feel. I forget the retail price for this, but I'm gonna see how much it is because it's something that I would actually purchase. This product I did a whole video on. I'll leave a link for it below, but this is the Sand & Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. And that's what this container looks like. Pink, my favorite color. And then, of course, that is what the actual mask looks like. As you can see, yes, I have been using it. I do enjoy a good mask. I like this one in particular because it focuses on, again, pores. I feel like big pores has always been like a focus for me because they've just been huge. So I've always been someone to buy products that are all about shrinking pores or just making them look small. So if, again, another highly recommended product. I love it. You won't be disappointed. You can do like I do. Typically I take or use my Sundays as like my own personal spa day, and I'll do like a facial and all this other stuff. But if you haven't tried this, run and try that as well. Another product that you can find from Walgreens, this is by Vichy Laboratories, and this is, I'm not gonna say the French word because I guarantee this is French. This is mineralizing thermal water. Yeah, it's born in the French volcanoes. Rich in 15 minerals, stronger barrier, healthier looking skin. Now, I will say this is probably geared more so for anyone who has like dry skin, but for me, I just like the refreshing feel, because sometimes when you've been like out all day and your face starts to feel like a little dull and just, you know, not itself, I'll go in and like spray this, and it just makes my face feel refreshed. According to what it says, it helps strengthen the skin's moisture barrier function and helps protect the skin against external aggressors, leaving it looking healthy and glowing, suitable for sensitive skin. Apply to skin in a fine mist, wait for a few moments, and gently pat dry. A daily care product to be used at any time during the day or evening. So yeah, it makes your face feel refreshed. It's supposed to keep the moistures in, but it also serves as a protective barrier, because we all know our air is polluted and your face, your skin, everything is affected as soon as you walk out the door. So this is good for that. You can get it at Walgreens. I don't remember the price, but I especially loved this during the summertime because it'd be all hot and stuff, and then you would just spray this and you just feel refreshed. Like I think they have another one similar, and it's what's that fancy water? Evian. That's what it is. They have a facial mist by Evian as well, so it kind of serves the same purpose, but I do like this one. So my last three things, you guys know I love masks, especially sheet masks. So these are like my top 3 favorites. I don't have like a particular order, but I will say Glam Up. I feel like I did a video on it. Did I do a video? I think I did. Glam Up, you can get these from Amazon. Actually, you can get all 3 of these from Amazon. This is actually the sheet mask that I just sent my cousin because she asked me what sheet masks are good for moisturizing or keeping your face moisturized. I don't have dry skin, but I still use these. This is probably the most moisturizing one that I have used. This brand in particular sent this to me to try, but again, like, it's awesome. You have to try it. It makes your face feel so soft when you're done. Like, I think I said that in my video too. It's just nice and it's affordable. Y'all know I like everything affordable because I'm that person, okay? The next one is by Innisfree. These are the Real Squeeze masks. Again, you can get this from Amazon. I have so many sheet masks, it's not even funny. But thankfully I haven't bought any in at least a year because I already know that I have a bunch. But Innisfree is definitely one of my favorite brands as well, along with Nature Republic. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say about sheet masks. All 3 you can get from Amazon. I will try to leave the links below to every product mentioned here, but yes, these are my favorite skincare products. If you guys have any questions, by all means, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoy these types of videos, I've actually considered doing just like an overall monthly favorites, but I don't really know if I want to you know, dive into that just yet. But if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please thumb this video up. Let me know if there's any other products that you guys are curious about that you would love me to try. Leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, that's basically it. Subscribe if you have not already, and until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.